In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the super admin in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll begin accessing the settings related to account management. If you're following along for the first time, it helps to move slowly and pay close attention to the labels in the menu, because the options we need are all found inside the administrative settings. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, click on Setup. This area is where most of the important configuration and account-level controls are stored. It's essentially the control center for managing users, permissions, and broader account settings. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The layout can vary a little, depending on the version or interface, but the key sections are usually named very similarly. After that, click on User. This will take you to the section where user-related settings are managed. In this area, you can review details connected to user access and account roles. This is an important section because the super admin settings are typically tied to the main account ownership and highest level administrative control. From here, click on your account. This will open the account-specific management area. This is the place where you can modify your account details and review the current status of your administrative access. As you look through this section, you should see a badge labeled Super Admin. That badge indicates the highest administrative role associated with the account. Go ahead and click on the Super Admin badge. Once selected, this opens the area where additional options are available for the Super Admin role. This is where you can adjust more settings and review the available controls connected to that level of access. Since this role has elevated permissions, it's a good idea to make any changes carefully and double-check what you're selecting before saving or confirming anything. As you work in this section, take your time reading each option so you clearly understand what can be modified. Super Admin access affects important account controls, so accuracy matters. If you're managing this for a team, it's also helpful to confirm that any updates match your organization's admin policies before making changes. And that's how you access and manage the super admin area in Zoho CRM. Follow the same path anytime you need to return and adjust those settings again.